Look at this 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified the Sierra 1500 as having one owner. The Sierra 1500 has just under 52,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, Dark Titanium, Cloth Seat Trim, Seats, Front 40/20/40 Split Bench, Glass, Solar Ray Deep Tinted, Seat Adjuster, Manual Lumbar Control on the driver's side, Remote Keyless Entry, Door Locks, Power, GVWR, 6,400 pounds, 2903 kilograms, Rear Axle, 3.73 ratio, Cruise Control, Electronic, Engine, Vortec 4.8L Variable Valve Timing SV Flex Fuel, Transmission, 4-speed automatic, Electronically Control LED, Emissions Override, Federal, Wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, steel, 6-lug painted, Work Truck Preferred Package, tires, P245/70R17 all-season, black wall, audio system, AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, emissions, California state requirements, suspension package, solid smooth ride and the solid paint. Call 877-705-4252 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.